how to record a Zoom meeting on Android. So if you want to record a Zoom meeting on Android, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Zoom application. Once you open up your Zoom, you need to go and start a meeting. Go with the top left, which has that meeting option, and make sure that you're on a meeting. Go with start meeting. Now, once you're on your meeting, what you need to do in order to record a meeting, you need to just scroll, and then you may find an option of more. If you go with more, then as you can see that under the meeting settings or under these settings, you won't have an option to record the meeting because we don't have an option to record a meeting on Zoom. But what you can do is just simply go with the control center. From the control center, you will have an option of screen recorder right here. In my case, I have it on the top left, which is my screen recorder. So you can tap on that screen recorder and it will start recording. And once you've done with it, again tap on that screen recorder button and your recording will be stopped. Or if you don't have an inbuilt screen recorder, then you can also go and install an application, a screen recorder application. In my case, I have this X Recorder. So you can install this and then you'll be able to record your meeting on Zoom. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.